you see we have an opening for an ETS assembler. You're probably thinking, cool, the heck is that? That's fair. To tell you what an ETS assembler does at Steffes, we should probably explain what ETS is first. ETS stands for Electric Thermal Storage, which is a pretty complicated technology that involves bricks, electricity, and storing lots of heat. What you need to know is that Steffes makes heaters, ETS heaters to be exact. From small ones that are made to heat a room in a house, to huge furnaces that heat entire homes and even big commercial buildings like banks or schools. So heaters. We make heaters. Actually, we need you to help us make heaters. And that's where our ETS assemblers come in, to build big, beautiful heaters. And we would love it if you joined our team to help. We promise we're really cool. In addition to our fabulous team, we offer a competitive compensation package and another 4 smackaroonies an hour if you're interested in night shift, with no experience necessary. That's right. Wrench? Hammer? What? We got you. We'll teach you everything you need to know. Still not quite sure? Come take a tour. But you should probably come on Thursday because Corrine makes the best popcorn. Or you can just apply today and enjoy the popcorn every Thursday. Check it out at steffes.com/careers.